H.K. Patil, the Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister of Karnataka, discussed state's plan to amend criminal laws. He highlighted that the Karnataka government had previously made 23 suggestions to the Indian Home Ministry, but these were not taken into account. As a result, Karnataka is now planning to introduce its own amendments. Patil emphasized that under Article 7, List 3, Karnataka is empowered to make these changes, and the government is determined to use this constitutional power to improve the state's law.
See, the three laws which are come into force since yesterday are those laws where Government of India has not really done good homework, or they have not applied their mind seriously. Lot of loopholes are there, lot of inconvenience is caused to people at large, apart from the people who are in profession. And there are some basic issues. Even the philosophy of our freedom movement is in a way dishonored, by way of these amendments, and the way they have given very enormous powers to police for even detention up to 90 days. It only leads to say that democratic right, or even the human right, can be very easily abused. Such powers should not be given. Even the property to be attached by police. I don't know, with all the experience of 75 years, what the BJP government wants to do. Even in implementing the old government's decision, the cabinet of old government, what they decide on the date of implementation, the same date of implementation is done. The new cabinet has not even considered. All these things are really not in a way right. And Government of Karnataka has made some recommendations earlier when Home Minister of India asked for it. Our Chief Minister has written almost 23 suggestions, but unfortunately Government of India has ignored those suggestions. That's why we are planning for introducing the amendments for as regards our area of operation, the jurisdiction of Karnataka. And under Article 7, List 3, we are empowered to make amendments, and will make use of that power that is given by the Constitution of India, and we are planning. Government is very seriously considering to bring in amendments for these laws.